be smart. At Tuesday, lend a hand. Help your friends and be so grand. Wednesday, books are cool. Learn and shine, it's back to school. A Thursday, let's create. Draw or dance, it's gonna be great. A Friday, jump and run. Playing outside is so much fun.
Saturday, time to share. With family and love, we show we care.
A Sunday, take a rest. Recharge yourself and feel your best.
Now we know the day's so bright. Learning them is pure delight.
Oh, now we know the day's so bright.
Learning them is pure delight.